that's not gonna feel good.
All right.
Okay.
Did you think you'd be able to walk?
Yes. Hit yourself. Hit all the ice off. Because if that
So Bella, what happened? You want to tell me what just happened?
I fell.
You fell in. You didn't fall. You fell in.
No, Julia,
Julia, you will sink, but I don't care if you do. You're waterproof.
I'm not
Go ahead, Julia. Go now. But if you get stuck, you're just gonna have to live there forever.
You're really gonna fall, Julia.
Don't step where Bella stepped. Step anywhere fresh and new. Oh well, don't fall butt in. You're afraid to stand. You just want to stay there.
I'll go.
You already went.
Yes.
Go ahead. Take like 2 more steps in.
2 more steps in. 1 more.
Yeah, on fresh powder. Whoa!
We told you.
Whoa! She's sinking. It's quicksand.
Oh, the sun feels good.
No, try some more. No, it's not, Julia.
Whoa!
I told you
She's
that.
not as heavy, so she doesn't sink as much.
And she didn't go as far back. This is what was plowed from the street.
Well, I cannot go in there, so if you get in there and get in trouble, that's too bad.
It's okay. I got myself out.
That's what
Oh,
I'm just
okay.
saying.
Yeah, you sounded like you weren't in distress at all a minute ago. Yeah.
1 second.
Okay, Julia, move. Walk. Walk somewhere. Go fast. Run. Ugh. Is it easy walking in snow?
No.
Do you want help?
Yes.
You in getting out? Hold on. Let's get a scenic view of what's going on. Oh, wow, that's bright.
Where's Bella? Right here. Behind me. Can Anna help me get down because I know how to get down, but I
Just slide down on your coat. Sit on your bottom and slide on your coat. Good job. See, you
That's
managed.
fun.
Bye, Bella.
Do I have snow in my